afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 32 says that we should choose the word that is nearest a meaning to the underlined word in this sentence. And the underlined word in this sentence is declined. Declined. And the sentence says, Dr. Assis declined the offer to share the meeting. Dr. Assis declined the offer to share the meeting. So now, when we talk of nearest a meaning, we simply mean synonyms, that which simply means words replacement, which means that which other word can we use to replace this particular underlined word among this list of options provided that can fit in to replace this. Option A say resident, option B said shunned, option C says refused, option D say avoided. Now when we talk of declined, decline means reduced, or when there is reduction in something. And reduced is synonymous to avoid. If you elongate the word decline, you get to the word called avoid. It cannot be resident, because resident is synonymous to phobic. Then shun is a neglect, is synonymous to neglect or neglected. Then refused is synonymous to rejected or rejection. The avoid means to dodge. When you avoid something, it means dodge, when you dodge something. So, and it's the same thing as decline, when you decline something. So by this, option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.